Unlock the power of trekking poles. Transform your hikes. Hey there, adventurous spirits of Over the Hill Yackers. Ever wonder how to take your hiking to new heights? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into a secret weapon that many hikers swear by: trekking poles. Stick around as we reveal how these nifty tools can turn your hikes from good to extraordinary. Picture this. You're facing a steep hill or a tricky trail. That's where trekking poles come in, not just as your aids, but as your trusty companions, making every step more secure and enjoyable. Let's demystify these magical wands and see what makes them a must-have in your outdoor arsenal. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Imagine having 4 legs instead of 2. Sounds like a superhero power, right? Trekking poles do just that, giving you extra stability and balance. But wait, there's more. They're like a Swiss Army knife for your knees, saving you from those ouch moments, and even helping you burn more calories. Yes, you heard that right. Choosing your trekking poles is like finding your soulmate. It needs to be the perfect fit. Let's chat about what to look for. From space-age materials like carbon fiber to grips that feel just right in your hand. And hey, why not drop a comment below and tell us what features matter most to you? Ready to become a trekking pole ninja? Let's break down the art of using these bad boys, from adjusting the height to mastering the wrist straps. We'll get you moving smoother and faster, whether you're conquering peaks or cruising through valleys. Trekking poles aren't just tools. They're your passport to epic adventures and unforgettable memories. They're about making every journey more enjoyable and less of a strain, so you can focus on the beauty around you and the joy of the hike. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Over the Hill Yackers. If you're pumped to try trekking poles on your next hike, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing hiking tips. Share your trekking pole stories or questions below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.